such a sweet water. What do you think? Is this sentence correct or not? This sentence is totally incorrect. Why? Just because we cannot use the article a with uncountable nouns, the nouns that we cannot count. For example, such a thick blood. Such a thick blood. This sentence is also incorrect just because the blood is an uncountable noun. Can you count the blood? You cannot count the blood. So that's why we cannot use the article a with uncountable nouns. Such a pure honey. Can you count the honey? Such a beautiful furniture. There may be different pieces and parts of furniture, but furniture is also an uncountable noun. Such a nice jewelry. Wow, such a tasty rice. Such a tasty food. So, I want you to keep in mind that you cannot use the article a with uncountable nouns, the nouns that you cannot count, like sugar, water, honey, furniture, etc. And hey, if you want to learn more, then let's go. Follow me. Number 2. Carol invited my friend and I to the party. What do you think? Is this sentence correct or incorrect? Just pause the video for a second or two, think carefully, and then tell me. Let me tell you, this sentence is also incorrect. There's a grammatical mistake because the I is a subject pronoun, and here it should be Carol invited my friend and me. Me is an object pronoun to the party. For example, if I say I lent him some money, so here I am the subject. I am the doer of an action because I am the one who have lent the money. But if I say he lent me some money, so here in this case me is an object, and an object is the receiver of an action. Not the receiver of an action, but the receiver of an action. So be careful. Now the third mistake that most of English learners made all the time. My father told me that I don't have to go camping. So what do you think about this sentence? Is this grammatically correct or not? Keep in mind, if you mean that your father does not allow you at all at any cost, then this sentence is totally incorrect. You don't have to say like this because don't have to. This means that it's your choice. If you want to go camping, you can, but don't go. So if you want to say that your father is not allowing you at all at any rate at any cost, then you must use must not instead of don't have to. You must say then, my father told me that I must not go camping.